Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the Crypto Wealth Management channel. Now, we recently hit 50 subscribers on the channel and that really means a great deal to me. I only started this 2 weeks ago, and to reach 50 subs in 2 weeks, I can't tell you guys how grateful I am, honestly. From the bottom of my heart, I thank everyone for their support, liking, watching the videos, subscribing, all of that. I really do appreciate it. For anyone new watching, I'm a qualified financial advisor in real life. I've been investing in cryptocurrency since 2019 for 5 years. At the start, I was a bit rusty, a bit of a novice. You know, I made a lot of mistakes, lost a lot of money, didn't take profits, invested in the wrong projects, etc. However, in the last 2 years, I've managed to really knuckle down, do a lot of market research, really hone in on certain skill sets, and I've seen a lot of success in the market. I started this channel to really try and help anyone out there on projects, tips, anything like that, especially if you're new to crypto. So yeah, that's basically a little quick introduction, and today we're going to be talking about what for me is the most undervalued crypto right now in the whole market. I know it's a wild statement, but let's get straight into it. The crypto that I'm referring to is called Chainge Finance. Now, I have mentioned Chainge already in one of my previous videos. I believe it was the top 5 cryptos to buy for January 2024. Now, Chainge Finance, in simple terms, is a DEX. It's a decentralized exchange app for all your financial needs, be it storing cryptos, swapping crypto, transactions, trading, etc. Now, DeFi was a massive narrative in the last bull cycle of 2021, and it will continue to be a huge narrative in 2024 onwards. And this is because it epitomizes exactly what cryptocurrency is about: decentralized finance. We all saw the way that Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 1inch, etc. all ran in the last bull run, and I'll be comparing Chainge to those projects, and we will see exactly why it is criminally undervalued. So on their website here, as you can see, they're looking to craft for Chainge 2.0, which I believe is out now. So they do need to update this little website here. But as we look into the stats, which I want to show on their main page, we see cumulative trading volume. They've done over $1 billion. Aggregated liquidity is $30 billion, which is ridiculous. These are stupid numbers. EVM and non-EVM chains, we've got 55. So, you know, across so many different chains. So yeah, that's just some quick stats that jump out at us. If we move on over to the actual web app, we can see that it just operates as a simple DEX. We've all been on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, whatever. You just, you know, select the crypto, what chain it's on, that you want to swap, and then they've got so many, over 2,000 assets to swap or bridge. Oh yeah, they can also bridge between different networks, which is a bit unique for a DEX. So yeah, you just use this as a simple DEX. It's very liquid, got incredible liquidity as we saw. The fees are all right as well. You can pay the fees in Chainge itself or use the native chain token, like be Ethereum, Matic, whatever. And yeah, it's a wallet as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, here we go, connect your wallet. So they have a built-in wallet as well. You can see orders, referrals, all of that. I actually do use currently the mobile wallet. I've got the Chainge app. It works really well. And I'm using it to store some crypto. It's self-custodial as well, so you know you are in charge. It's got the 12-word recovery phrase, etc. So if you don't have it, I recommend setting it up because it is free, and you can never have too many wallets. So yeah, on their white paper, they actually do a good job at summarizing what it is. It says it's, like we said, decentralized financial application running on the Fusion blockchain that grants users complete control over their assets, as well as freedom to interact with innovative financial instruments with no intermediaries needed. The Chainge app ultimately aims to empower people from all corners of the world to become their own digital bank. With Chainge's automated financial services, people can finally enjoy 100% freedom and security. That literally epitomizes exactly what cryptocurrency is about. Not only is the actual project itself, you know, exactly what crypto needs, but the actual team, if I find the article right here, the actual team is led by the Dijun, I don't want to say it wrong. I want to say Dijun Qian. He's Chinese. I'm sorry if I butchered the pronunciation, but this guy was the ex-CEO and founder of VE Chain, which is, you know, incredible project as well, top 100 supply chain project. He also founded Fusion, and he is the CEO of Chainge as well. Now, recently Chainge was acquired by Codify. If you take a look at some of the names they're bringing on, I'll quickly read this. It's announced its successful acquisition of Chainge Finance, a leading force in the decentralized finance sector. The strategic move solidifies Codify's commitment to innovation and growth within the DeFi landscape, propelling the company into a new era of success. So along with Dijon Kien, again, sorry, we've got Najam Kidway and Mike Lempres, again, sorry. Look at this. Najam is from C1 Holdings for Crypto One, $500 million secondaries fund valuation. And we've got Mike Lempres, seasoned professional who has chaired at Silvergate and Coinbase. So, we're bringing massive names in the crypto all into one space here. We've got 3 people on this board right now with a plethora of experience in crypto. So the team, again, is just absolutely huge. Now we take a quick look at their Twitter page so we can see their social following. Chainge Finance has 170,000 followers, which is massive for a crypto project. They are very active as well. We can see the announcement of their acquisition by Codify. And yeah, look, regular updates on the web app, the D app. They always announce any new partnerships with chains or whatever. Because I've been following Chainge for a long time now, over the last year. Every time there's, we've got a partner with this or we support this crypto now, they really do let everyone know in the community. So yeah, that's a tick as well on the project. Now, because it's a pretty self-explanatory project in a sense, like it's a DEX, there's not really much else to it. Everyone kind of knows what that is. It's more focused on the price value and how undervalued it really is. So if we look today, we can see that the price of Chainge sits at just under 12 cents with a market cap of $47 million and a apparent fully diluted market cap of $85 million. However, this is incorrect because CoinMarketCap have the total supply at 700 million Chainge, which is wrong. It's not really clear why Chainge haven't updated this. I think it's pretty important information, and I really don't like when projects are slow to update websites or metrics such as tokenomics. But the most accurate figure I could find is their max supply is now around 520 million. Obviously bringing the fully diluted market cap down about 20%, 25%, whatever. And that's because Chainge have a quarterly buyback and burn mechanism. So naturally the total supply is going to decrease, which is obviously good news for holders. The all-time high of Chainge, as we look down here, was about 20 cents, and the all-time low was about 3 cents. So we're kind of in the middle of the pack. It's obviously around a 4x up from its all-time low, but it hasn't really pushed on from its all-time high. If we look at the charts over the last month, whilst all the other cryptos have been obviously pumping, Chainge has stayed kind of in this consolidation phase. And even from my first entry into this project, because I am a holder, it hasn't really moved too much. And the only thing I can think of is because the narrative isn't clearly on DeFi as it is on, gaming or real world assets or DePIN or anything like that. So the all-time chart, we can see, it's just been within this range, really. It's just been a massive accumulation phase. It did launch, it was around in the last bull cycle. It launched, as you can see, in around July 21, hit its peak in that November, December time of 2021. And then obviously since been down, up, down, etc. And it's now sitting at 12 cents. However, today I really wanted to compare Chainge to 2 of the biggest DeFi projects in the last bull cycle, and first of all it's Uniswap. If we take a look at the market cap of Uniswap and what it reached in the last bull run, we can see it got up to over $20 billion in valuation, which is absolutely insane. If we take a look at PancakeSwap, we can see, if the website wants to load, take your time. If you take a look at the all-time chart, go onto market cap for PancakeSwap, we can see that in the last bull cycle it went to, it's not market cap. Oh wow, my computer really is slow today. Apologies for this, guys. There we go. Yeah, it went up to over $6 billion, $6.5 billion, almost $7 billion in valuation, which is, again, massive amount. If you compare this to Chainge today, Chainge is sitting at $50 million in market cap, right? So a 10x from today puts it at 500 million, half a billion. I don't even want to consider that because it seems almost impossible that doesn't happen, given what previous DeFi projects have done, the amount that Chainge has built in the last year, 2 years, the partnerships, the recent acquisition, the names that are on board now with the project. A 10x seems, just almost disrespectful. A 50x right now takes it to $6, $2.5 billion market cap, which again, it doesn't touch what PancakeSwap did. That's like a third of what PancakeSwap did in the last one. A 100x from now puts it at $12, $5 billion. Now we're starting to be a bit more realistic, I think. We can see the numbers that DeFi can pull. And the demand for it and the amount of money that will be thrown into it, especially in this bull cycle, with retail coming in, money will be thrown into crypto left, right, and center. The overall market could reach 3 to 5 trillion plus. All right. So 100x, $12, $5 billion. Cool. 200x, I'm just throwing some numbers out there. 200x, $24 per Chainge. $10 billion market cap. That would put it in between what PancakeSwap did and what Uniswap did. And if we're going to compare it to Uniswap, it's over a 400x from now. All right, over 400x. Realistically, for me, I would be absolutely shocked if Chainge did not do a 50 to 100x. Like, come on. It has to somehow, given everything that we've discussed about the project, everything we know about DeFi and crypto, this is a working product you can use today. It works today. And a 50 to 100x would put it between $2.5–5 billion valuation. And I always compare these kind of things to Dogecoin. Dogecoin hit $70 billion in market cap. There were so many shit projects in the last bull cycle, if you were around, that were just doing up multiple billions of dollars in valuation. This is a real project, real use case, you know? So in this upcoming bull run in 2024, 2025, I do expect, you know, a product that's doing $1 billion worth of $1 billion worth of volume, has $30 billion dollars worth of liquidity. I do expect that kind of DeFi project to run well into the billions of dollars. Like I said, which will put it, let's exclude the 10x, 50 to 100x. So yeah, just to wrap things up and to conclude, let's just head over to the coin scoring matrix to see what we can see. Now, I actually was told by one of you guys, one of my subscribers, a way to improve the coin scoring matrix in terms of using the drop down for colors, etc., which I'm going to implement the next time. Because I want it to be as efficient, these videos to be as efficient, as informative as possible. I'm not trying to waste anyone's time because I know time is money. So let's get straight into it. Innovative or excellent technology? Well, it is DeFi, it is a DEX, it's a wallet which you can do pretty much all your DeFi needs on. So yeah, it is innovative or excellent technology. Relevant narrative, decentralized finance will forever be a relevant narrative in crypto. Low market cap, below $50 million, I would consider low anyway, but for a DeFi project, it is very low. So yep, low market cap as well. Good tokenomics, I'd say so. Yep, it's like we said, 500 million, about 450 million in circulation right now, with, you know, a burn and buyback mechanism in place. So the tokenomics are well handled. Experienced and credible team, 100%. Like we said, founded by the ex-CEO and founder of VeChain. We've got CodedFi guys on board now as well. So yeah, the team is experienced and very credible. Key partnerships. Now, it's kind of hard for a DeFi project to have key partnerships because in essence, their partnerships are the chains and the cryptos that they can offer. And because it offers over 2,000, and it's always onboarding more and more unique projects and cryptos and chains, those are all in of itself different partnerships. So yep, it has key partnerships and it will continue to produce more and more partnerships in that sense. The community is active, like we saw on Twitter. 170,000 people are following Chainge and they regularly update the community. Shiny coin effect is a no because it was around in the last bull cycle, so this is a hindrance on the project. And because of that fair launch, it's kind of irrelevant because it's been around for 2-3 years now. And most of the circulation is in supply, so it doesn't really matter if it was fair launched or not. And promising roadmap is a green as well. They do update on their main website. I'm not sure I showed it today, but that little website, they did have show the updates for Chainge 2.0. So yeah, it's a promising roadmap as well. That concludes today's video on Chainge Finance. I hope you guys found it informative. I hope my reasons for why I think that this is the most undervalued project in all of crypto right now. I hope it's not, too much of a stretch. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. I want to thank everyone again for the support that they've shown this channel. I really appreciate it. Honestly, it's doing much, much better than I expected. So yeah, please feel free to like, subscribe, let me know anything in the comments, get in touch with me on Twitter, whatever, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.